How do I choose a license for my GitHub project? Are you wondering how to choose a license for your GitHub project? This decision is essential for sharing your software while protecting your rights. A license informs users about what they can and cannot do with your code. In the realm of software development innovations and continuous integration, continuous deployment, selecting the right license can greatly impact how your project is utilized and shared. First, let's break down the main types of open source licenses. You will typically encounter three broad categories: permissive, copyleft, and proprietary. For most open source projects on GitHub, you will likely focus on permissive and copyleft licenses. Permissive licenses, like the MIT license and the Apache license, allow anyone to use, modify, and distribute your code, even for commercial purposes. They only requiring that users include the original license and copyright notice. The MIT license is straightforward and widely adopted, making it a great default choice if you want your project to be used broadly. The Apache license offers additional protections, such as a patent grant and a more detailed liability disclaimer, making it suitable for larger projects or those with multiple contributors. On the other hand, copyleft licenses, such as the GNU General Public License, requiring that any project using your code must also be open source and use the same license. This means if someone builds on your work and shares it, they must also share their changes under the same terms. The GNU General Public License is often chosen by those who want to ensure their work remains freely available to everyone. To choose a license for your GitHub project, start by asking yourself what you want to achieve. If your goal is to maximize adoption and allow others to use your code freely, a permissive license like MIT or Apache is usually best. If you want to ensure that any improvements or extensions to your project are also open source, a copyleft license like the GNU General Public License is more appropriate. GitHub simplifies the process of adding a license to your project. When you create a new repository, you can select a license template from a list. This automatically adds the correct license file to your project. You can also add or change a license later by editing your repository. In the context of continuous integration and continuous deployment, your choice of license can influence how your project integrates into automated pipelines and is shared across teams. Permissive licenses are often favored in fast-paced environments because they reduce legal barriers and encourage rapid iteration. Copyleft licenses may be used when strong community protections are needed, but they can introduce additional considerations for teams that want to keep some parts of their work private. Your choice of license depends on your project goals and how you want others to use your code. Consider your users' needs, the nature of your project, and the broader context of software development when making your decision. GitHub's built-in tools and clear documentation make the process straightforward, allowing you to focus on building and sharing your innovations. If you want to align your project with the latest trends in software development, a permissive license is often the most practical choice. It allows for easy integration with continuous integration and continuous deployment systems, encourages collaboration, and supports rapid development cycles. Copyleft licenses remains important for projects that prioritize open source values and community protections. Always review the specific terms of any license before applying it to your project.